Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to do a ping pong game. So let's start. First I have to click this. See? Done. Then you need the sprite's ball, paddle and line. If you want to add them, you just go on this and click it. You need to add the ball, the line, and if you can search here, line. See, he's here. And for paddle, wait a moment, paddle. See, he's here. It's here. I meant done. And you need the backdrop, the neon tunnel. This one. Just click it. And here we go. We have the backdrop and these sprites. So the code is when green flag is clicked, point in direction 45. You know it. Forever move 15 steps if on edge bounce. Okay, these ones are pretty complicated, so I'll tell you at the last, and I'll tell you this one for now. First you get one of these blocks and put it here, and one of these blocks and put it here, and you need a motion block, and you need set text to this one and a sensing block, whereas and you need this one to and drag it here. Okay, this one is complete, and the line this when green flag clicked forever if touch ball, so it's in the sensing this one, and you click ball. Stop all, it's in the controls here. And before you do that, please subscribe and like. That would be super helpful. And let me tell you this one. When green flag is clicked, forever if touch, paddle. So it's in the sensing. Where is it? Here. See, paddle. Change score by 1, so you go on variables. Since I already did it, you have to click this and make your variable score. So score. I already did it, so I'm just going to click cancel. If you are redoing this from the start, you need to click OK. Okay, got it? Yeah. Then it should be here. Then you need to drag this one and put it here. Before that, you need to click score. See? And put it here. Then you go on the motion box and make it turn 180 degrees. Then move 15 steps. And go on a control block and put it to wait 0.5 seconds. Done. Next we have this little thing. You need when green flag clicked, set score this one to 0. Okay, that's almost a video complete. Let me quickly show you a part of the game. So let's start. So you see it moves with my mouse is going. See, I lost. If you click this, it goes like this. Oh no, I failed again. Oh my gosh. This is... I don't know what to do. I'm bad. What? Okay. I think that was pretty successful match. Done. If you want to stop it, you just click this. Or you just lose. I want to tell you something cool today. If you click this, you got all of this. Let me click this because this one will be interesting. You see? Stamp. And if I remove this, it stays there. You see? But I don't want this. I think this should be the right block. Yeah. Then that's good. Okay. If you want another one, you just click here again. And if you want to edit your project's name, you have to click this. I want to name this pong. Okay, you can name it something else. I want to do something funny. This is not funny, but I like this. 3.0. This is pretty good, so I wanted to do that. And you can customize it with these, and there's a lot of more colors, but you can also do it with these spots, and you can edit these. And if you want to save them, you have to if you want to load it to your computer, you click this. And if you want to save it to your computer, you click this, okay? And these can change your screen size. See? This is smaller and this is bigger. And if you zoom into this, if you click this, see there are dots. That is where it will be. Okay? And I'll just zoom out. What? Oh, this makes it equal, okay? And this is to make the sound. Wait a moment. That's kind of funny. Why does this have a pop noise? I don't want that. Look at this. This is so fun. You can make this slower, but you can make it louder, softer, and you can make it mute, and you can make it fade in, fade out, reverse, robot. And if you don't want it, you can just do this. And if you want to copy, you could just click this and paste. And copy to new. And I think you can delete this. I'm just going to delete all the sounds. That's all done for today's video. Please subscribe and like.